What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually close the sunroof on a 2001 BMW 325Xi. If your sunroof gets stuck open, there's no power, or the switch isn't working properly, I can show you how to close it. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. Just take a straight blade, pocket screwdriver, or even a trim tool, get in here, just pry this out. There's some clips that hold this in right there, and right there, and right there. So now you can access the sunroof motor right here. You can take a hex key. This is a number 4mm. And if you're trying to close the sunroof, you go in reverse and you actually can manually close it just like that. And that's how you can close your sunroof if you don't have power or if it stops working completely. Right, now we can put this back. Just slide that piece in the back there and lock it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.